Ever wondered who brought the thunder to Rush? That's Neil Peart, the man, the myth, the legend. With mind-blowing technique and a passion for perfection, Neil redefined drumming. His solos were epic, and his influence on music is undeniable. His drum kit was as legendary as his playing. Multiple bass drums, countless toms, and a cymbal arsenal that would make any drummer drool. From simple beginnings to a massive, ever-evolving setup, Neil's kit was a reflection of his musical evolution. One of his most iconic setups was dubbed the Steam Banger. This behemoth of a kit was a sight to behold and a sound to remember. Beyond the stage, Neil was a master in the studio, crafting rhythms that would stand the test of time. He wasn't just a drummer, he was also a prolific lyricist, penning many of Rush's most memorable songs. His contributions to music earned him numerous accolades and a devoted fan base. Even after his passing, Neil's legacy continues to inspire drummers and music lovers around the world. Subscribe for more music legends, and thanks for watching.